In this video, we will show you the main parts and functions of the imop Lite. First, the triggers. You can easily start the imop by pulling the trigger upwards. This will start the imop. To stop the imop, just let go of the trigger. Then we have the control panel. Here you can easily choose and switch between the different modes of the imop. The imop has two tanks, the solution tank and the dirty water tank. The solution tank has volume indication lines to help you fill it with clean water. The dirty water tank is filled up with dirty water while cleaning. Going further down, we will find the iPower battery and the scrub deck. The scrub deck is equipped with a strong engine, which make brushes rotate at a speed of 500 rounds per minute. On the sides, you'll find the splash guards which keep water under the scrubbing deck. Also, this is the place where you'll find the squeegee. It is fitted with a double squeegee blade and wheels and is used to suck up the dirty water while cleaning. Looking under the machine while it is cleaning will show you how everything works together. Now, we will show you the optional iDose system, a system that will make sure you'll always use the right amount of detergent for the job at hand. We have 3 different types of detergent: green, a floor degreaser; blue, a general floor cleaner; and pink, a restroom floor cleaner. Using iDose is very simple. Take an iDose pod and open the injector. Put the iDose pod in like this. Close the injector and push the yellow button. The liquid will now be evenly distributed into the solution tank. And when you are done cleaning, you can remove the iDose pod and put it in the recycle bin on the top of the imop. Now you know about all the parts. You are almost ready to start cleaning with your new imop Lite.